Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of your page inside of WordPress. So whether you want to change the background color of just one individual page, or you want to apply this to all of the pages on the website, then I'll show you how we go and do this. So first, just head over to your website, and this is my website that I'll be working on today. So let's say that we wanted to change the background of this website from this white color to a gray color. Then what we would do is we would come over to our WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand side, come into Appearance and select Customize. Come over to Additional CSS at the bottom here. And then we're going to use this editor to write in a couple CSS commands. So what you're going to type in here is the word body, open parentheses, and that will automatically create a closing parentheses. And then you need to hit Enter on your keyboard and type in the word background hyphen color. And that's color, C-O-L-O-R, colon, and then type in the color that we want to change this to. So for now, we can just use a word for the color like red, for instance, or black or gray, and then go ahead and press semicolon. Now you can see the changes of this happening in real time. And if you don't see anything happen inside of here, then all you need to do is you'll just need to come back to after this word of the color. Hit space on your keyboard and you'll have to type in exclamation mark important, and that should now change the color of your background. Now if you want to be more selective of what we change this color to, then what you need to do is come over to Google and just type in hex color picker. Now from this built-in tool on Google, we're going to select from this palette exactly the color that we want to use in. So let's say I wanted to use this kind of light washed out gray. Once we've got this selected on the palette over here, you need to come down to this hex number and copy all of this. We can just press the copy button here. Then come back over to the WordPress dashboard, replace the word gray here to this hex color. And then as you can see, we now have this exact color of the green that we want. Now you don't need this text of important in here, only add this if it's not working for you without, otherwise we can just remove this like so. Now that works for changing the background color, but the only problem is if we go to any of our other pages on our website, then it's also changed the background color of all of those web pages too. So if you wanted to target just one particular page on your website, we can also do that. So how we would do that is, let's just say we only wanted to change the background color of this home page here. So what we would need to do is come back to this CSS code over here, and just after the text body, what we're going to do is type in full stop page hyphen ID hyphen, and then we need to include the page number of our page. Now how we find out what the page number is for our home page is you'll need to come over to your WordPress dashboard in another tab, and then come over to Pages from him, scroll down the list and find the page that you're trying to target. So for this example, we're going to be changing the home page. So I'm going to come over to Edit, and then in the URL at the top here, you'll see this number after post equals and then a number. And this number up here is basically our page ID. So you can see for my home page, that's numbered as 195. So now if I wanted to target just the home page, I could come back over to Customize, and we're now going to type in 195. And as you can see, the homepage background color has changed to green. But if I scroll down and come to another page on my website, like Contact for instance, then you can see that the background color remains white. And of course, you'll need to press the Publish button over here to make these changes live. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your background color inside of WordPress. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.